Portable 3W UV1, handheld waterproof UV lamp sterilizer for hotel, household, wardrobe, toilet, car, kitchen, toys, pet area, travel size air purifier. Handheld UV disinfection lamp. It can be used in mobile phones, iPads, keyboards, laptops, masks, toys, toothbrushes, remote controls, door handles, toilet covers, mugs, steering wheels, hotel and family closets, toilets and pet areas. Proven to work. There are a lot of invisible dirty things in life. They exist on mobile phones, remote controls, towels, children's toys, elevator buttons, doorknobs, toilets. People can't see them with the naked eye, but we can use our ultraviolet light to eliminate them. Don't let dirty things live with you. Plug and play. Our UV disinfectant is used via USB power and cannot be charged. It can be used through the power bank. Sterilized at any time. You can use it to scan any place you want to disinfect. Easy to carry, compact size, 28 to 2 centimeters. Weight 100 grams. Portable to carry. Enjoy your job, your rest. Ensure you have a trip in a clean environment. Notice ultraviolet rays can burn eyes and skin. Do not point at people or animals during use to ensure safety. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.